Let's go, man. It's your boy Leandre Hayes, man. Woo. Gotta get these kickflips by any means necessary. And it's snowing. Rain, sleet, or snow. Day 12, getting relearning kickflips, man. Let's go. It's cold outside. I think it's like 20, maybe 25, I think. It was cold. So hopefully it don't take me that long. But we out here, man. Day 12. Let's get it. Alright guys, right here. Woo. Out here, rain, sleet, or snow, man. Snowing, about 20. Day 12, doing kickflips. Yeah. Or day 12, relearning how to kickflip. Let's go.